Now on this video, I'm going to be introducing you to unlimited residential proxy. So this proxy allows you to have access to several platforms without any restriction. At the end of this video, you should be assured of not being restricted from different platforms. Reason being is that I'm going to show you how you can use this proxy and also get free gigabyte for yourself while using this proxy. So if you stick with me to the very end of this video, you're going to be getting much value from this video. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joachim, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you various ways and strategies that have worked for me on how to make money online. And if this sounds like what you're interested in, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So without no further ado, let's dive into the business of today. To get started in using this proxy, all you just need to do is to first of all sign up for an account. Now when you come down here, you can actually see that there are 3 packages right on this platform. We have the unlimited residential proxy, which offers 60 regions with real residential IPs, dedicated proxy servers with unlimited traffic supporting ultra high limited concurrent requests. And so right now this particular package has unlimited traffic, unlimited concurrent requests. And so right now we also have the SOX 5 proxy, which is the second package right here. You can actually see what it supports. The IP is available for up to 12 hours, never expires. Now when you advance to this particular IP, you can actually see that this is a static residential proxy which has a dedicated static IP and 100% real residential IPs. Okay, so right now when you come over to this interface, what you just want to do is to create an account for yourself. Now you are going to be seeing the login and the sign up. For the first time user, all you just want to do is to come over to sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're going to be brought into an interface like this. What you just have to do is to set up an account for yourself and start using this proxy. So right now it's actually asking you to input an email address, then put in a password. Like I recommend in all of my videos, put in a password you will always remember. Then come down here to confirm your password. Then actually here you're going to be seeing my invitation code. Just leave that aspect like that, then click on register. So right now what I just want to do is to come down where it says email address, then put in my email address right here. Okay, so right now let me go ahead put in my email address. So once I'm done inputting my email address, the next thing I want to do is to come down where it says password, then put in my password. I recommend you put in a password you will always remember. Right beneath here you can actually see that they gave you actually instances of how you can actually set a strong password on your account. Now confirm that same password you have actually inputted above. Now when you are in this page, you'll be getting a referral code once you click the link below the pinned comment section under this video. Now once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says register. Okay, so once you click on register, this will automatically create an account for you before you can start using this platform for proxy. Okay, so right now this is actually loading up to get my account set and prepared for me to be able to start using this particular proxy platform for different purposes. Once you have been on this page for some seconds, it will prompt you to select this particular checks right here. So once this is done, I think you should be able to create an account for yourself. And so right now we are done selecting all the crosswalks. What you just want to do is to come down to click on verify. So right now you can actually see that my account has been verified. Right now I'm logging into my account since I've created an account for myself. And so once you actually create an account for yourself, you'll be getting an interface where you can start using this particular proxy for different purposes. Right now they said what best describes your use case. Now what actually do you want to use this proxy for? Is it for data collection? Is it for market research, brand production, brand protection, social media, ad verification, SEO, pricing, monitoring, e-commerce marketing. So others you can actually just go on putting on any of which you want to use. So right now I just said let me type in surveys. Okay, so I'm actually putting in survey right here, then I'll click on confirm. But better still, you can actually skip this part. It's not actually compulsory or necessary. You can also come down to this particular section to skip this part. Okay, right now I have created an account for myself right on this proxy. Now you can actually start using this proxy to start connecting with different platforms that you have engaged yourself with. Okay, and here to see several packages as I explained earlier, and start using this particular proxy for yourself. Now when you come over to where it says start free trial, it's going to load up an interface for you to start using this proxy. So you will have to give this particular proxy a try for the first time. As a first time user, all you just need to do is to come over the free trial to see how it works. So right now you can actually see that we have the residential proxies, we have the rotating ISP, we have the unlimited residential proxy, the SOX 5. So these are packages right on this platform. Now let me say you want to go for the residential proxy. All you just need to do is to tap on the residential proxy so you can actually get more details of it. So right here you can see residential proxy 30 days 5 gig as low as $1.3, which you'll be getting right on your account. And so before you can start using this particular proxy, you can actually see that residential proxy is for 30 days and comes with a 5 gig as low as 1.3 gig. So you can actually click over to learn more on how you can actually leverage more on this particular proxy, get the best out of it. Right here you can actually see Cherry Proxy spring sale has started. New user can purchase 5 gig at a special rate of $1.3. That is, you'll be getting this for $1.3 stroke gigabyte for their first order, limited to 1 purchase per account. Now you get 100 gig plan price reduced to $1.15 stroke gigabyte, and also the 400 gigabyte price will be reduced to $0.88 gigabyte. Okay, now there are free trials right on this platform which you can go ahead to try. So once you go ahead clicking on start free trial, it's going to give you access to this free proxy, so you can be able to check and see how it works and how effective this particular proxy works. Now when you come over to recharge, it's going to take you over to an interface where you can actually get to understand some packages right on this platform and how you can actually recharge and start using these packages on your own afford. Okay, now when you come down to this place, you can actually see that this will cost for 1.3 gig and it will actually last for 30 days. Some of these packages, and all of these packages I mean, last for 30 days. Now whichever package you want to go right now, all you just want to do is to come down and you're going to be seeing the description of what you'll be getting while using this proxy. For instance, you've chosen this 11 gig that says 2.4 gigabytes. You are just going to click on recharge. So once you click on recharge, it's going to take you over to an interface where you can actually recharge and get this proxy activated right on your account. Now to get your account recharged, all you just want to do is to come down to where you're going to be seeing several means of payment. Okay, now we have the credit card which you can actually use to recharge your account. Now we also have the payment method right here. We have the TRX, we have the USDT, we also have different methods right here which you can use to fund your account, the Litecoin and the rest of other platforms. Okay, so whichever way you have actually chosen to fund your account, all you just need to do is to click over this drop down. You're going to be activating any of these when you have actually chosen. For instance, you want to recharge your account using the USDT, all you just have to do is to click on the USDT and you're going to click on continue to pay. So once you click on continue to pay, it's going to take you over to an interface where you can actually copy a particular wallet address. So once you have actually copied this wallet address, the next thing you want to do is to go over to any of your crypto wallets you are actually having fund, then transfer the exact fund you want to use to fund your account. So once that is done, you're going to be seeing that reflecting right on your account. Then you can go ahead to purchase this proxy. Now for instance, you want to actually use this proxy, and you're going to be seeing that this is a proxy which allows you to start a free trial. Now when I go ahead clicking on start free trial, it's going to direct me over to an interface just like what you're about to see. Okay, so once you click on start free trial, you're going to be brought into this interface. Residential proxy is from 0.77 GB, and you can actually see that it does not require much from you. Okay, now you can actually see it says use now, and you are not actually going to get to pay any amount. You can go ahead to click on a tutorial to get more understanding of how it works and how you want to start up with this. Right now you can actually see that this residential proxy has over 80 million genuine IPs. This is so amazing. Now rotating and sticky sections, 99.5% success rate. Now when you go ahead to click on tutorial, you will be getting some view about this particular proxy. Okay, now this is actually a tutorial of what you need to know about this proxy. User guide, as you can see. First enter your personal center and select the residential proxy. We can see the dashboard consists of two parts: proxy setup and the static. So these are details you need to know, and these are the directives of what you need to do to set up your proxy on your device. So once this is done, you will be connected to this proxy and you start using this proxy. So right now there are several proxies you can use, and there are free trials you can use to start up with this proxy and start using this to avoid restrictions from different platforms, especially those interested in taking surveys online. And so this is all about this particular sharing proxy. You can use the link below the description or the pinned comment section to set up an account on this particular sharing proxy and start using this with ease without any restriction. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to drop them below the comment section of this video. And also it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. See you on my next video and keep winning.